In the event of an accident, you don't have to come out of your car to try fighting anyone on the road. Watch this video to learn more about auto insurance. Hi everyone, welcome back to Noor Takaful Insurance YouTube page, where we talk about everything insurance in Nigeria. My name is Haris Kari, and with me today is
Ade Shalisi, the head of General Takaful, Noor Takaful Insurance Limited.
So today we're going to be discussing a bit about some of the General Takaful products that we have here in Noor Takaful. But before we head into the video, since you're here, I know this is something that will be of benefit to you. So go ahead and like this video, and also if you don't want to miss any of our updates ever again, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Last week we discussed a bit about some of the family Takaful plans we have here in Noor Takaful, and today we're going to be focusing on the General Takaful products. So before we begin, I would like to ask this quick question. So how would you describe general insurance as a whole?
Okay, thank you for that question. So when we talk about General Takaful or general insurance, we basically mean bringing back the participant or the insured to the position it was immediately before the loss. That is, if he has sustained any financial loss to his property, either motor vehicle or building or plant, whichever one we have.
Okay, that's great. So now I would like you to just briefly describe just two of the General Takaful products, that you might want to advise our viewers to take.
Okay, thank you very much. I would want to talk about two basic or two most important Takaful products which I would advise our viewers to take. One, we have the motor vehicle Takaful product, and two, we have the fire and special perils Takaful product. I'll break it down. The motor Takaful product covers a participant against any financial loss sustained as a result of accidental damage to the vehicle or other damages done to the vehicle, either fire, third-party accident, or theft to the vehicle or accessories of the vehicles. Briefly, I would like to talk about the three major types of covers under motor Takaful plan, which we have the third-party fire and theft, and the comprehensive cover. So before I go into details, the types of cover we have under motor Takaful plan, I'll briefly like to discuss the parties involved in motor insurance or motor Takaful. We have the first party, which is the Takaful company, that's the insurer. We have the second party, which is the participant, our insured, and we have the third party, that is the general public. So third party actually covers the accidental damage to third party's property or bodily injury against the third party or death. So when I talk about the third party fire and theft policy, this covers the third party against death, bodily injury or accidental damage, that's to the third party's property with a limit, and this also covers a participant's vehicle against fire and theft. That's why we call it third party fire and theft insurance or Takaful policy. For the comprehensive cover, this covers both our participants and the third party property. Covers our participant vehicle against fire, theft, or accidental damage, and also covers the property of the third party against damage, which is accidental, bodily injury, or death. So the second product I'll be talking about is the fire and special perils product. This actually covers the participant against unexpected loss that may arise from fire, lightning, or explosion. The basic cover that we have under fire and special perils are fire, like I initially said, lightning, and gas used for domestic purpose. Fire also covers storm, tempest, flood, subsidence, and landslide. Riot, strike, and civil commotion is covered under the fire and special perils policy. Malicious damage to a participant's property is also covered under fire and special perils.
So thank you very much, Ade, for saying all that. And I just wanted to ask you a question that we asked our audience in the last video we had. Do you have any insurance policy? And if you do, maybe if you would like to share one with us and why you decided to take that policy.
Okay, thank you very much. Presently, I actually have three insurance policies, but I would like to talk about the motor Takaful policy because it has personally affected me. Initially, I had the third party cover, which is to cover only the third party's property against damage, accidental damage, or bodily injury and death. But there was one time I had this accident, a major accident, and it really affected me financially. It really engulfed my purse. I had to cough out huge money to repair my vehicle. But thank God for insurance. I should have even repaired my vehicle and the third party's vehicle. But thank God for insurance. Insurance took care of the third party's vehicle. Meanwhile, I had to look for means and ways to sort out myself. So I would really advise anyone that wants to take an insurance policy to please go for the comprehensive policy, which is the wider cover in motor insurance policy.
So thank you very much, Ade, for sharing that experience with us. And so you heard from his own experience. Always try and go for the best insurance policy for you, which we provide here in Noor Takaful. It might be motor insurance, it might be fire, it depends on which one you need. You can also reach out to us on any of our social media platforms, which will be displayed right here on the screen. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And also don't forget to click the red subscribe button there so you won't miss any of our updates ever again. We'll see you again next week, same time. Bye.
Bye.